Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download ChargeHub stations and live availability, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser of choice. Type in the ChargeHub website URL in the address bar. Once on the home page, look for the Stations tab in the navigation menu. Click on the Stations tab to access the Station Locator feature. On the Station Locator page, you will see a map displaying ChargeHub stations. To search for a specific area, enter your location in the search bar. The map will update to show nearby ChargeHub stations based on your input. Select a station to view more details about its availability and features. For live availability, look for the Live Availability option on the station's info card. Click on this option to check if the station is currently in use or available. To download a list of stations, look for the download icon or link on the page. Click the download link to begin the process. Choose your preferred file format, such as CSV or PDF. Confirm your selection, and the file will start downloading automatically. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Open the file using your preferred application, like Excel or a PDF viewer. You now have access to a list of ChargeHub stations and their live availability. Feel free to refer back to the ChargeHub website for any updates or changes. You're all set to explore ChargeHub stations with downloaded information at your fingertips. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.